Here in Opti, protect our environment, serve for a better tomorrow is our core value. We truly believe everyone around the globe should have an equal right of using clean, reliable, and affordable electricity. Our mission statement is to help worldwide population to have a better access to electricity by providing high-quality, independent solar solutions.
Opti was originally established in 1991 as a professional power supply manufacturer for uninterruptible power systems and accessories. To develop green energy and provide environment-friendly power solutions, the company Opti Solar was established in 2007. Since 2007, we've been continually working on developing solar inverters and chargers. Beside our Taiwan headquarters, Opti has a branch office in Dubai and a BV in the Netherlands. With the help of our distributor partners all around the world, the market of Opti Solar has expanded to all 5 continents.
Opti, having 30 years of experience, is among the most reliable solar companies. Our hybrid PV systems are installed at commercial and residential rooftops. Many Opti partners around the world work with NGOs for supplying solar systems to schools and hospitals. Opti offers great technical support, training, and after-service. Latest SPI B5000 Plus is dust and waterproof, allows to be operated in harsh environment. Thanks to IP65 design, this inverter is safe from bugs and insects, which assures a long lifespan.
SP Handy Ultra is with a higher capacity of 8,000 watts, mainly used for inductive load users to protect the equipment from the loads that come with surges. The LED light bar is a unique and useful design that allows the user to easily monitor the inverter. When operating in different modes, Handy Ultra will indicate different colors and sparkle. The replaceable fan design is user-friendly and allows any user to replace it at any time. If you're looking for an inverter to support servers, ATMs, or data centers, our SP5000 Regal is the one for you. It's highly recommended because its online UPS design assures zero transfer time. Also, SP5000 Regal can be connected up to 9 pieces in parallel to a maximum of 45 kilowatts capacity to support different demands.
Providing clean and affordable energy solutions has been always our lifelong goal to pursue. To echo our slogan, protect our environment, serve for a better tomorrow, we will continue to develop different solar products with eco-friendly features to help worldwide communities solve global warming issues.